Welcome to our channel Jingdi Zoom. Subscribe, like and share.
We are going to make colorful glue gun sticks. Pour the glue in back of visiting card, guys. I'm going to use my old paint bag. It is turned into Play-Doh, guys. Let's try this, guys.
Three hours later.
Try it at home and comment below, guys. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye.